Step 1. Remove 20 centimeters 8 inches of dirt from the area you want to concrete. Step 2. Build a wooden framework around the area. Step 3. Fill a 10 centimeter 4 inch high hardcore layer. Step 4. For extra strength, place a steel mesh inside the concrete. Step 5. Fill with concrete to the top. Recommended concrete mix: 1 part concrete, 2 parts sharp sand, 4 parts 20mm aggregate. You may want to smooth the top with a metal edge for a smooth finish. Step 6. Score the concrete every 2 to 4 meters. You can do it with a trowel while the concrete is fresh. You can also use a diamond blade if the concrete already hardened. This will prevent future cracks. Step 7. Remove the framework after the concrete hardens. Step 8. Fill the surroundings.